Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about the remaining parts of chapter number 11 Haj, Have, Had, Do, Did. Okay, class 3 Oxford New Learners Grammar. So if you have not watched the part 1, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, in the part 1 we had discussed up to here. Okay, let's practice page number 69 and 70. So here let's learn. We know that have, has, had and do, does or did can be used as main verbs. Okay, so now we will learn how have, has, had and do can also be used as helping verb. Yes, so here do, does, did, these can be used as main verb and also helping verb in a sentence. Similarly, has, have, had, they can also used as like main verb as well as helping verb in a sentence. So here look at this examples. So here I have a lot of work now. Okay, so here have is used as main verb, not as a helping verb. But look at the sentence, I have cleaned my room. So here have is used as helping verb and cleaned this is main verb. Clear? Similarly, he also has a lot of work. So here has is also used as main verb, not auxiliary verb. But here she has cleaned her room too. Here has is used as helping verb and cleaned this is main verb. Okay, similarly they had a lot of work to do yesterday. So here had is used as main verb, not helping verb, but here they had cleaned their room before coming here. So here had is used as helping verb, cleaned is used as main verb in the sentence. Okay, so first has and have, they are used for present and had is used for the past. Clear? The next here, I do a lot of work every day. So here do is used as main verb, not helping verb. Similarly, you will find here, do you like apples? So here do is used as helping verb, like this is used as main verb. Okay. Then next, he also does a lot of work. So here does is used as main verb, not auxiliary verb. But here she doesn't know French. So here does is used as helping verb and here main verb is know. Similarly, they did a lot of work yesterday. So here did is used for the past. Okay, and it is also main verb, not helping verb. But here did they go to the library? So here did is used as helping verb and go here, this is main verb. Clear? So I think you have got a complete idea about how the auxiliary verbs can be used as like main verb in a sentence. Clear? Then next here let's practice. Correct the errors in the use of have, has, had or do, does, did in the pairs of the sentences below. So here my mother asked me, where has you been till now? Okay, I doesn't know what to answer. So there are some mistakes in this sentence, you have to make it rectify. So here where have you gone? Okay, so you is second person plural and also singular. So here you is used for second person singular. So here have should be used. Where have you gone? Okay, so where have you been till now? I doesn't. So this is wrong. I don't. I first person singular. So subject is singular, so the verb must be singular. So here you have to use do not. Okay, don't, not doesn't. This will be wrong. Then next, I don't go to my friend's house yesterday. Yes, there is wrong. Okay, yesterday, this is adverb of time referring to the past, but here the present tense is used. This is wrong. So you have to use I didn't go to my friend's house yesterday. She have gone to meet her cousin. So this is wrong. So you have to use your had. She had gone to, because you are referring to the past action. Okay, so don't use here has. Has will be also wrong. Okay, so you have to use had. Okay, then next, she don't like to travel. Okay, so we are talking about what she does like to do or not. Okay, so she doesn't. So you have to use your doesn't. So here do is wrongly used. So you have to use she doesn't, I don't, he doesn't, they don't, we don't. Okay, clear? Then next here, did you like to have vegetables every day? I has vegetables every day. So here you find did you like every day. Every day means we are talking about one's preference, one's habit, daily routine. Okay, so here do you like, not did you like. Okay, so you have to use your do you like, not did you like. This will be wrong. Okay, do you like to have vegetables every day? So I has, so this is wrong. So I first person singular, so the verb must be singular, have, not has. Okay, only third person singular we have to use has. he has, she has, Rohan has, Shital has, but they have, we have, you have. Okay, so I have vegetables every day. Clear? Then next revision, have, has, had can be used as yes. Has, have, had, can be used as main verbs and also helping verbs. Okay. Then next, do, did can be also used as main verbs and helping verbs. Clear? I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.